How to check deleted messages on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find recently deleted messages, and I'm going to show you where you can possibly see deleted messages even if they were deleted from the recently deleted section. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we simply need to open up the Messages app on our iPhone, and by default, any messages that you delete in the Messages app on your iPhone will be put into a recently deleted folder for 30 days before they're permanently deleted. So we can open that up by going up in the top right, selecting those three lines, and just go to recently deleted. And then in here, you'll see recently deleted text. To recover and view any of those, you just need to select them and then select recover message, then just open up the text chain that contains the message we've recovered. And then you should see it in here. Just scroll up or down and you'll be able to see the recovered message. It'll now be included in the text chain. So another way that we can recover deleted messages, even if they were permanently deleted, is to see if any text or message forwarding is turned on. So if maybe you have an iPad or a Mac, something like that connected to your Apple ID account, it's possible to have all the text messages and iMessage messages forwarded to that device. So we can easily do that by going into the settings. And what I recommend doing is just going to the bottom in the search and just type text forwarding, and you'll see text message forwarding come up. And when you get in here, it will tell you if there is another device that is actually getting all of your text messages forwarded to it. So if this is not turned on, it'll say that you need to connect a device to your account to give it access. But if it is, you'll see the device. So this is an iPad, and you'll see that it's turned on. So that iPad could contain any text messages that were deleted off my iPhone, but were also forwarded to the iPad and not deleted from the iPad. So I'd recommend going to that iPad, open up messages, and then you should see any of the messages there that were deleted on your iPhone. So that's how you can see deleted messages on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.